The best small business loans and grants for women. SBA loans may be the best small company loans for women entrepreneurs, or for any business owner, for that matter. Although it is a government agency, the SBA does not actually create the loans for small businesses, rather, it guarantees them. The loans are instead made by banks and other direct lenders, with the SBA subsidizing a portion of the loan in the event of default. Lenders are therefore more ready to cooperate with small enterprises. SBA loans for women are excellent financing solutions for people who meet the requirements because they provide low interest rates and long-term financing, 7-year terms or longer. Additionally, the SBA's portfolio of business loans includes a number of other programs. The SBA Micro Loan Program provides startups and micro businesses with small loans of up to $50,000. Businesses with a few years' worth of experience can get general-purpose working capital through the SBA Loan Program. Loans through the SBA Community Advantage Program, which are a part of the program but have more lenient requirements, may be an excellent choice for women-owned businesses. Money is provided exclusively for the purchase of commercial real estate or equipment through the SBA 504 loan program. How to be eligible: find an SBA lender, such as Wells Fargo, Celtic Bank, or BayFirst, and meet a number of standards, usually include a solid credit score and a respectable annual income, to be eligible for one of these loans. In keeping with this, applying for an SBA loan for a woman involves a lot of documentation and takes longer than it does for men. Money Circle. Women-owned businesses may wish to turn to internet lenders after failing to meet the requirements for an SBA loan. Virtually every sort of business funding is available from online lenders. There are lenders who offer short-term working capital loans of 3 to 18 months, medium-term loans of 2 to 5 years for women who can't get bank loans, and more inventive solutions like invoice financing. Best for, you might turn to Funding Circle if you're searching for a loan with a longer term, a higher amount, and more flexibility than an SBA loan. Details: women can apply for small business loans from Funding Circle with durations up to 5 years and amounts ranging from $25,000 to $500,000. A Funding Circle loan has interest rates that can range from 4.99% to 15.99%, and you can get your money 5 days after applying and submitting your paperwork. How to be eligible: you must have at least 2 years in company and a credit score of 660 to be eligible. However, you won't have to earn a certain amount of money each year. In general, Funding Circle has some of the most competitive rates and terms of any online lender, making it an excellent choice for women-owned businesses who can't get approved for an SBA or bank loan. Funding Circle will also be a valuable lender for companies that prefer a quick and easy application process over the drawn-out procedures connected with bank and SBA loans. Despite being a fantastic online alternative to bank and SBA loans, Funding Circle still has certain strict requirements. Best for, OnDeck is one of the top suppliers of small business loans for women if you're seeking for more lenient requirements. OnDeck provides both a line of credit and a short-term loan. You can receive up to $250,000 with terms of up to 24 months and APRs as low as 29.9% through their short-term loan, based on loans originated in the half-year ending March 31, 2022. Generally speaking, women-owned businesses who want quick access to capital to pay for larger, unforeseen purchases will benefit from a short-term loan from OnDeck. The OnDeck line of credit offers terms of 12 months, an APR as low as 29.9%, and amounts up to $100,000. Based on loans originated in the half-year ending March 31, 2022. If you're searching for a company loan to balance your cash flow or take care of other working capital requirements, an on-deck line of credit is a particularly smart choice. How to be eligible: you must have a minimum annual revenue of $100,000, a credit score of 625, and at least 1 year of business to be eligible for a business loan or line of credit from On-Deck. Opportunity Fund for Action. Microloans may work best for you if you have modest cash requirements. The SBA offers a microloan program, but those loans have stricter requirements and take longer to fund than those from internet lenders. Best for, as a result, Action Opportunity Fund may be one of your top choices if you're looking for a microloan. Information: the Action Opportunity Fund provides microloans starting at $5,000 and going up to $100,000. Depending on the loan, terms can range from 12 to 60 months, and the application procedure takes 3 to 5 business days. Furthermore, Action Opportunity Fund typically lends to underserved small company owners, especially those who are women and members of underrepresented groups. How to be eligible: you must have been in business for at least 1 year and make a minimum of $50,000 per year to be eligible for a microloan from Action Opportunity Fund. Overall, if you don't need a lot of money and can work with their lending team to determine what funding alternatives will look like for your firm, Action Opportunity Fund is a wonderful option for business loans for women. Women's Small Business Grants. The easiest approach for women-owned firms to obtain capital will probably be through debt financing, such as the alternatives we outlined above, but it's not the only option. Female business owners may choose to investigate additional financing choices, such as equity finance or small business grants. First of all, a business grant is free money because you won't have to pay it back like you would with a loan. However, the majority of grants have far stricter eligibility conditions and usage restrictions than small company loans. Despite this, you might still decide to look into available grants, especially since some of them are targeted explicitly towards women-owned businesses, depending on your financing requirements. Check out our list of the best small business grants for women to get your search going. Angel and venture capital firms for female entrepreneurs. Consider equity finance as an alternative to requesting a business loan or looking for a grant. When a business owner seeks funding from venture capital, VC, firms and investors, this is referred to as equity financing. Investors receive a stake in your company, also known as equity, in exchange for their investment.